A pleasant morning to all of us. My name is Eric Bill M. Ledesma from Bachelor of Secondary Education, major in Mathematics of Kolehiyo ng Pantukan. So in this video, we're going to tackle about a non-routine problems and we are going to solve and I will going to give some examples of it. Solving a non-routine word problems. What is a non-routine problem? And non-routine problems are problems that replicate real-life situations and do not provide keywords to solve using known procedures or standard methods. That's according to Arslan and Alton 2007. But using some unique strategies may provide some possible acceptable solutions, and that's according to Bruni et al. 1999. We have 3 steps on how to solve a non-routine problem. First is understand your problem. Second is plan the problem. And lastly is execute the problem. Example, there are 18 animals in a pet store. Some are birds and some are dogs. There are 50 legs in all. How many birds and how many dogs are there? So the given are, so the total animals in a pet store is 18 and the total legs in all in a pet store is 50. So let's find out how many dogs and birds are there in a pet store. So the solution, we're going to use the table. So in the table, in the first column, animals, number of animals, operation to use, number of legs, and legs in all. So we have to identify the 2 kinds of animals, the birds and the dogs. So in the going back to the problem, there are 18 animals. So the total is 18 there. And then operation to use is multiplication. So number of animals, kung ilan, i-multiply natin sa number of legs. So, ang birds may dalawang legs. Ang dogs may 4. So, legs in all is 50. So, kailangan dapat natin yung result ng dalawang birds and dogs sa number of legs ay magkatugma sa total numbers of legs. For instance, let birds 9 and dogs 9. So, the total of 18. Tama. So, birds is 9 and dogs is 9. So, let's multiply. So, follow the table. 9 times 2 is equals to 18. 9 times 4 it is equal to 36. So, 18 plus 36, so there 54 ang total. So, hindi siya nagkatugma sa ating 50 legs na total. So, therefore, birds are not correct. 9 birds are not correct and 9 dogs are not correct. So, let's have another trial and error. Another trial and error, for instance, let birds 8 and dog 10. So, the total is also 18 again. So, bisag pila na gano'n siya, kung pila imong birds ibutang dira o dogs dira dapat may equivalent kito siya sa 18 nga nasa pet store. So, 8 times 2 is equals to 16. 10 times 4 equals to 40. When we add the legs of birds and the legs of dog, 16 plus 40 is equals to 56. So therefore, 8 birds and 10 dogs are not correct. So, hindi 8 birds ang nandun sa pet store at hindi din 10 dogs ang nandun sa pet store. So, let's have another trial and error. So, kailangan mo talaga ng trial and error dito sa solving na to. So, birds 10 and dog is 8. So, same process. 10 times 2 is equals to 20. Dogs is 8 times 4 is equals to 32. So, when we add 20 plus 32, it is equals to 52. Therefore, 10 dogs or 10 birds are not correct and 8 dogs are not correct. So, let's have another trial and error again. So, next. For instance, birds are 11 and dogs are 7. So, 11 plus 7 is equals to 18. So, 18 times 2 is equals to 22. And 7 times 4 equals to 38. So, 22 plus 38 equals to 50. So, nakita na natin yung answer. So, nag-jive lahat. From 18 na total sa animals in the pet stores and 50 correct total number of legs in all. So therefore, we can conclude that there are 11 birds in a pet stores and 7 dogs in a pet store. So the total of 18 animals in a pet store. So in solving a non-routine problems, let us remember that in solving a non-routine problems can be solved without using standard procedures or step-by-step. Non-routine problems can be solved by drawing up pictures, using a number line, acting out, or some maybe making a table and others. And that should be all. Thank you.